Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here to do a finished flip through of this glue book, and I have a goodie package to show you too. So this is the final version, which you already saw the cover. I just love this cover, so I just put a pretty spine on it. It's got 3 signatures. Here's my pretty stitches, 5 pamphlet stitch. And there's the back with this guy sleeping. Old man time or somebody, probably. So if you've never seen a glue book or looked at a glue book before, it's usually just pages that you don't mind covering up. I mean, not that there's not pretty pages in here, but you know what I mean. The idea is to put things on top of them. So that's what I put in here. So I left this here because I thought it was so pristine and beautiful that you can cover it up, whoever gets this, or you can write here. I just thought it was so cool to have that little chart there, never written on. And in the back, I put a clear pocket. So here's the little clear part, and I went ahead and put some wrapping paper in here, and the goodie pack and everything is with the idea of gluing. But you can use this for a regular journal. I'm just, I made it as a glue book, so I just put things in here that you might want to glue in, especially if you've never done it before and you need some ideas. This is all vintage wrapping papers. So some of them I don't know if this one's vintage or not, but anyway, they're all thrifted. So some fun papers there. That one's definitely vintage. 70s probably, right? So that's the little pocket there, little clear pocket. I covered the back in scrapbook paper, some pretty scrapbook paper. And so we'll just flip through here the pages real quick. Like I said, 3 signatures. This is wallpaper. Atlas, just some nice paper. This was called erasable. Was this the erasable paper, I think? It's very thick, like typing paper, or almost like thin onions. I mean, thick onion skin. This is pretty Atlas. This is from the, let's see, that is from, oh gosh, it's escaping me right now. I can't think of it, but it's from, Helen Steiner Rice, here it is. Helen Steiner Rice book, that's what I was trying to think of. Yeah. And then this is a coloring book. Oh no, this is from the magazine. Yeah, but you can color this side if you want, or whatever you want to do. This is a card. And this is from Typing Book. I think, was this from Typing Book? Gosh, I can't remember now. Anyway, calendar, sewing. This is scrapbook paper. I put pretty paper in the middle just to have a pretty middle. And then the same papers on the back half here of this signature. Music. Oh, that was music, I guess, before. That's what it was. I didn't recognize it, and I said whatever I said, but it's music because it's, I think it was from a guitar or a drum music, and I didn't recognize that over on the other first half. Anyway, that's from the magazine, Helen Steiner Rice, and the atlas, and then the rest of this signature here, which you already saw in the first half. And each page, each signature starts with a sturdy wallpaper cover. So this is the wallpaper in this signature. And then the same types of papers. This is another kind of very interesting page from the atlas about gems, gemstones, things like that. That thick typing paper, and Helen Steiner Rice. The drum. This is the drum. Oh, this is organ. That's what it is. That's the little organ levers there. Okay. I wasn't recognizing that. I played the piano. I didn't play the organ, so I wasn't recognizing that. Calendar, and you get the idea. Just different papers from the magazine. Here's the middle of this signature. Cruise ship. That's scrapbook paper. And this is some. Oh, this is from this to Helen Steiner Rice. This was like the end pages here. This is very sturdy, and it's actually like cardstock. And I put an envelope. Oh, I need to put some things in here. Let me see. What will fit in here? Let me pull something out of the goodie pack. Will the music pages fit in here? No, they're a little bit too wide. Let's see, what else? What else? I don't want to put something in there that was going to go down inside. Maybe I'll just leave it for you to fill up because I put a bunch of stuff over here. But this is an envelope. And see, it goes down right in here. So you've got a nice deep pocket, and then you can write or collage on it. And then the calendar, music. So, you know, you can see it's all mostly things that you wouldn't be afraid of covering up, or, you know, maybe you're not afraid of covering up things like I am. So you won't mind covering up any of it. But, oh, this page, this back signature started with Pretty Atlas page. Okay. I see it's not wallpaper, it's atlas on this one, but that atlas paper, if you've ever had one of those big atlases, it's very sturdy paper. And then there's some that onion skin, like thick onion skin typing erasable paper. Here's an envelope here for you to put some goodies in, and it flips out like that. And then this side can be used as a text spot. Okay, here's the wallpaper in this one. It was a smaller piece, so I put it in there. And then the magazine. This is Atlas Index. That's the calendar. It's an Alaskan calendar I put in here. This is one of the end pages. So pretty, right? And that's from, I think, the Helen Steiner Rice book. And then here's the scrapbook paper in this one. And then this is from, what is this from? Oh, this is Helen Steiner Rice again. Somebody had written, "Happy birthday, presented to Hazel from Ruby in 1977." And that is from the organ music. And then just the same types of papers, magazine, wallpaper. This is a sewing book, and there you go. There's the end, and that's the pocket I already showed you. So that is and you've got plenty of room, because once you glue something on, say you glue something on every page on both sides, this is going to be like this when you're done. You know what I mean? It's going to double or triple in size as far as, so that's why when you make a glue book, you have to leave a lot of room for someone to add their goodies, right? Okay, so keeping that in mind, I tried to put together a little kit here that you could use as far as gluing things in, different things. So I don't know what somebody has, so I wanted to send plenty of stuff in case you didn't have anything. I've got some washi tape here that you can, you know, you can either permanently or temporarily put something in with a piece of, this is just a thin washi. And then here, just some little pieces of wallpaper, music. Here's another piece of wallpaper, put that together. Music, like I said. This is I put some little cards and envelopes in here in case you want to make more pockets and things like that, but there's a little card there. And this is a post-it, you know, tri-fold little spot. You can use it for writing or pockets or whatever. And a couple of envelopes, like I said, in case you want to glue those in somewhere. These are magazine clippings. Great for gluing, right? So they're just all little, like, botanical. These are from magazines, actually. Yeah, I said that, magazine clippings. So this is a bunch of those. This is a big giant sticker, and it's can be a frame if you take the middle out and then glue this frame on and put a picture in there, or you can use it like this and, you know, use it in different pieces, whatever. This is just a fun textured piece from a card. I have, when I get greeting cards, like my mom gives me her old greeting cards, and I cut them apart and keep the pieces that I can use in, you know, a glue book, a journal, whatever. So this is just a cool textured piece. And then there's some more pieces from cards here. Magazines, again. And some of these are old. These are book pages. These are vintage book pages there, cutouts. This is just a piece of ephemera that I had printed that was extra. Magazines here, scrapbook paper. This is the scrapbook paper I used inside the back cover. That was an extra piece there. And then these are all the cutoffs from the pages. So I had lots of cutoffs. You can see all the scraps here. Great for gluing and, you know, tearing up and cutting up and making, you know, using in a glue book or using on whatever you want to put into the glue book, but just all kinds of, from all the pages in here, these are all the cut-offs, right? So many different colors and things, so, and pretty, you know, a lot of them from the magazine and everything are very pretty. I'll fold the bigger ones in half like that, and so they can all fit in here. Here's another piece of little wallpaper. This is all the pages from this book. So I was like thinking I need to put some book pages in here, like children's book pages, and I'm like, hello. I have all the pages from this book, and they have awesome colors, as you can see. So these would be great for using wherever you want. But look how beautiful. There are some beautiful pages in here. And I decided just to put them all in here. I have plenty of book pages, and I absolutely love these pages. They're so awesome. So this is by far, I think, the best glue book or journal pages you can get right there. Vintage book, children's book pages. So it's quite a, you know, sizable bunch of goodies, and I'm going to put them in this, you know, this sheet protector here, and I'm going to fold the longer ones and get them all in there, and that'll come along with the glue book, including the washi. So I hope you enjoyed the making of this and the final finished product, and I'll be making a second one. And I've been cutting, as I cut these pages, I cut those. But as you saw, there's plenty of room to tuck a few things in, the envelopes and pockets. And I did put some things in here, the wrapping paper. And you've got quite a variety of different things to have fun with. So thank you for watching. When you see this, it'll be in my shop. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.